5 things you must do if you're seeing 1111 or 222, maybe even 333, 444, or 1234. If you're seeing these numbers on a regular basis, you must do this now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I am so excited. We're getting letter after letter after letter from people all over the world who are saying, Robert, I'm watching your channel all the time, every day, and guess what? My life is improving. I'm making more money. My relationship is better. Things are going better in my life. I'm feeling better. And so we're sharing all of these positive statements and affirmations that people are saying about our channel on our Instagram page. And so we're just very, very excited. We're blessed. That's what we are. We're blessed and we are grateful. Thank you for subscribing. And remember to always click that bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life. Well, we do a number of videos about seeing the number 1111 particularly, but also other numbers such as 333, 444, that kind of thing. And if you're seeing these numbers on a regular basis, I believe there's certain actions you need to take. So one of the things that makes us different than other human beings as intentional manifestors is we have the ability to take inspired action. And so one of the things I want you to do if you're seeing these numbers on a regular basis is sit down with a tablet and refocus, recalibrate your intentions and or your goals. Write them out. And what I would like you to do is try to become more specific. In other words, I want to make a lot of money. Okay, that's a goal. That's an intention. How much money? When do you want to make the money? How do you want the money to come to you? You see, get as specific as you can. The more focused on your intention and or your goals you are, the more the universe, look, the universe is helping you right now. The universe is speaking to you. The universe speaks the language of mathematics, of numbers. So it's very, very important for you to take note. When you see these signs and you're seeing these numbers, it means sit down and focus on your goals and your intentions, because now you're going to have more impact than ever before. The universe is opening up to you and sending you the energy, but you better be ready to receive. Are you ready to receive? I know that you are. So the next action you need to take is, if you don't have a vision board, make one. If you have a vision board, update it. You've had that vision board over there for so long, you forgot it's even there. It's just like background noise to you. So upgrade your vision board. Put it on your iPhone or your Android. Put it on your laptop. Put it on your computer. Put it on your refrigerator. Put it where you can see it and see it often. And every time you see that vision board, you better have a powerful affirmation to go along with it. The universe is talking to you right now. So if you take action, good things are coming your way. Well, the third action you want to take, especially if you're seeing 1111, is increase communication. Maybe you haven't been talking to someone. Maybe there's been a phone call or a text message or an email that you need to send and you haven't done it. Do it now. Now is the time, because the universe, it's speaking to you and it's saying, here's the energy. Take the action. Have the positive thought, and good things, miracles will happen in your life. And I do mean that. But, sometimes people, I had one lady long ago, and she said, Robert, look, I have never called my brother in 30 years. I've never talked to him. He's never called me. We don't talk to each other. We had a falling out many years ago. Our parents are both dead. We don't speak to each other. But when I started seeing those signs, I realized there were actions I needed to take in my life. And I sent him a letter, and he wrote me back, and he invited me to his house. And now we're as close as we were when we were little kids. And that's how it can be. It can be that way in a relationship or a business partnership or whatever. Take inspired action. Make a phone call, a text, communication. That's the key. Well, number 4 is to increase your fasting, your meditation, or your visualization. Do all 3. Why not? You see, when your body is given a break, it's given some rest so that you don't have to focus on digesting food all the time, so that you can focus on going deeper into your meditations, deeper into your visualization. And that's what fasting helps you do. It helps you get deeper into a state where you are more in alignment with your intentions and goals. So, fasting goes along with meditation, and meditation goes along with visualization. Do all 3 when you see these numbers like 1111 popping up everywhere. And number 5 is take the time each day in your own way. It's not for me to tell you how to do this. I'm not here to guide you as a religious leader. That's not my job. That's not my mission. My job is to help you empower your life. But take time each day to connect with Source. If it means going to church, great. If it means more time in prayer, that's fine. More time meditating, great. More time out in nature, looking at sunsets, writing, scripting, whatever you need to do to connect with source energy. But I'll tell you one way you can seal the deal. And that is after you have connected with source, after you feel like you've had that moment with source energy, then a few moments of gratitude for all the new stuff, for all the new opportunities, for all the new feelings and emotions that are now flowing into your life. The universe is reaching out to you, high flyers. Are you ready to reach back? Take these inspired actions. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.